Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to your English lesson with me again. I know it's been a very long time since we talked to each other, but I hope that this will be a very good start for all of us. Okay, hai semua, selamat datang ke pembelajaran bahasa Inggeris kamu. Teacher tahu dah lama kita tak jumpa, tapi hopefully kita boleh belajar sama-sama. Okay, now let's get right on to it. So, weekend. Can you see the word weekend here? Now, what is weekend to you? So for us in Johor, our weekends are on Friday and Saturday. Okay, it is especially regarded as a time for leisure. So, untuk weekend, maksud dia ialah hujung minggu. Di Johor, hujung minggu kita ialah Friday and Saturday, Jumaat dan Sabtu. There are some states in Malaysia where the weekend starts on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, ada juga beberapa negeri di Malaysia yang cuti atau penghujung minggu dia ialah pada hari Sabtu dan Ahad. Okay, now so we already know what weekend means. Now I would love for you to do one warmer activity. You will have to write your plans for the coming weekend and write it in your book. Okay, kamu akan tulis plans kamu untuk weekend ni. Okay, hujung minggu ni apa yang kamu nak buat, tulis dalam buku kamu. Okay, this is your warmer activity. Activity pemanas. Right, let's move on to the next part of the lesson. Activity 1. Please refer to your textbook, page 64 for this part of the lesson. Okay, I'm going to flip to page 64 as well as we talk. Now, kamu akan rujuk muka surat 64 untuk bahagian lesson kamu yang ini. Okay, now untuk minggu ni, for this week, you are going to learn grammar. Okay, it's very important that you try to focus and comprehend this lesson as hard as you can. Okay, minggu ni kamu akan belajar grammar, iaitu tata bahasa. So penting untuk kamu faham dan beri perhatian untuk pengajaran kali ini. If you have any questions, for sure ask me. Okay, now this is the first part of this lesson. Page 64, the top left corner of your book, you'll see a table. Now, what you need to do is you will have to copy it into your book. Okay, but please pay attention to the blank spaces. Here we have 3 blank spaces, number 1, 2, and 3. So leave it blank until the end of the lesson where you are going to complete this table. Once you've understood everything, you've thoroughly comprehend be going to, and then you complete this table. Okay, kamu akan salin table ni dalam buku kamu. Kemudian di penghujung lesson kita, kamu akan isi tempat kosong ni. Ada 3 tempat kosong. Tak perlu isi dulu, cuma tinggalkan dulu tempat kosong. Okay, now number 2, watch the next few slides of this video. And number 3, complete the table with the correct form of be going to. So kamu akan tengok slide seterusnya untuk video kita. And then lastly, baru kamu complete, lengkapkan table ni. Okay, kita akan belajar be going to. Be going to. Okay, what does it mean by be going to? Okay, so if you look at this look box, it says we use be going to talk about future plans and intentions. Kita pakai be going to untuk cakap pasal future plans dan juga intentions, rancangan kita untuk masa akan datang ataupun apa yang kita nak buat. Okay, for example, dia bagi kat bawah tu contoh, I'm going to tidy my room tomorrow. Saya akan kemas bilik saya esok. Okay, now I've divided these slides into several sections and I need you to pay very close attention to it. If you look at this table, there are 3 or 4 sections. Number 1 is the affirmative, number 2 negative, number 3 questions, and lastly short answers. So dekat slide ni, dekat table ni kamu nampak ada 4 bahagian berbeza. Affirmative, negative, questions dan short answers. I believe I've explained to you the definitions or the meanings of these words in the previous lesson we had. Okay, teacher dah terangkan maksud dia apa, affirmative tu apa, negative apa, questions and short answers. Okay, now let's check out be going to in affirmative form. Okay, kita tengok apa maksud be going to, macam mana nak guna be going to dalam affirmative. Affirmative ni ayat penyata. Okay, as always, we'll divide it into 3 sections. Number 1, subject, verb. Number 2, verb. Number 3, and object. Okay, teacher bahagikan sahaja dia dalam bentuk jadual, tapi kamu perlu baca dia sebagai satu ayat. Okay, now for example, kita nak cakap dia akan makan. dia ni seorang. Okay, seorang saja, third person singular. Seorang saja orang, macam mana nak cakap? Seorang orang atau satu benda lah. He is going to eat. Okay, tengok, beri perhatian pada perkataan depan ni sebelum going to. Be ini maksudnya is am-are. Be maksud dia is am-are. So tengok sini, dekat tajuk kita be going to kan, tapi dekat sini dia tak ada be. He be going to eat, she be going to eat, it be going to eat. Tak ada, sebab itu salah. So be ini kita ganti bergantung kepada subjek. Kalau subjek itu singular, be dia ialah is. Okay, he is going to eat, she is going to eat, it is going to eat. Okay, now kalau subjek dia I itu pun singular, tapi I ni special case, dia pakai verb yang berbeza. For example, here, I am going to eat. Tapi am hanya untuk I sahaja, dia tak boleh pakai untuk he, she, it. Dan begitu juga I tak boleh pakai untuk is. Okay, I cannot be used with is, and he, she, it cannot be used with am. Okay, alright, I hope you understand that part, because it is very important. If you use it wrongly, then your sentence is going to be wrong. Okay, now last part, we have the plural nouns or plural subjects. Okay, you, we, they. You, we, they ni ialah plural, maksudnya lebih dari seorang. So kalau nak pakai be going to, dia macam mana? You are going to eat, we are going to eat, they are going to eat. So untuk singular, seorang orang atau satu benda atau binatang, is. Kecuali I, dia pakai am. Tapi you, we, they pakai are. Alright, now let's move on to negative form. Negative ni maksud dia dalam ayat tu ada perkataan no atau not lah, kita menidakkan sesuatu. Okay, he is not going to eat, she is not going to eat, it is not going to eat, I am not going to eat, you are not going to eat, we are not going to eat, they are not going to eat. Okay, nampak tak? Dia sama, is, am, are, tapi tambah perkataan not. Kalau nak cakap, saya tak nak makan, saya tak akan makan, I am not going to eat. Dia tak nak makan, he is not going to eat. Okay, kami tak nak makan, we are not going to eat. Kami tak akan makan. Okay, perkataan nak, tak akan. I'm sorry. Okay, so itu ialah negative form. What about the question and short answers? Okay, untuk soalan, kedudukan dia berbeza. Nampak tak? Dekat sini, kita ada subjek dulu, baru verb. Okay, tapi kalau soalan, if you want to ask questions, you'll change the position of the verb to the front part of the sentence. Okay, and the subject or the action is going to be in the middle. Okay, okay, the nouns or the subject is supposed to be here, but I didn't, so I'm sorry. Okay, let me just fix it real quick. Okay, I'll change that, and then we will add a subject here. Okay, now hopefully you'll understand it now. Oh my, okay. Okay, now verb plus subject. Is he going to eat? Is she going to eat? Is it going to eat? Okay, so nampak tak susunan dia, the organization, the sequence of the verb and subject? It is completely different from the affirmative and negative forms. Okay, untuk question, kamu mesti letak verb itu di depan, kemudian barulah subjek. Okay, ini untuk he, she, it. Macam mana pula dengan I? Am I going to eat? Am I going to eat? Am I going to go to school? Am I going to take a shower? Am I going to read? Okay, am letak di depan, kemudian baru I. Okay, now last part is for the plural nouns. Now you, we, they. Sama juga, kita pakai are juga, tapi beza dia are letak di depan, bukan di tengah ayat atau di belakang ayat tu. Okay, we still use are, but we place it at the beginning of the sentence instead of the middle and or the end of the sentence. Okay, now are you going to eat? Are we going to eat? Are they going to eat? Now, when you want to answer these questions, I provide you with the short answers that you can use for this type of questions. Kalau orang tanya kamu, is she going to eat? Kamu nak jawab macam mana? Kalau dia nak makan, kalau dia akan makan, yes, she is. Kalau dia tak akan makan, no, she is not. Okay? So, ini ialah short answers. Kamu boleh baca, cuba fahamkan, cuba tukar subjek ni kepada benda lain. Okay? Now, am I going to eat? Kalau orang tanya, kalau you tanya diri you sendiri lah, am I going to eat? Yes, I am. Kalau kamu akan makan. Kalau kamu tak akan makan, no, I'm not. Okay, now we have the short answer for the plural nouns. Are you going to eat? Yes, you are. Oh my gosh, that one was so, oh my god, it's so messed up. Now, yes, you are. It's not yes, you are. Okay, so are you going to eat? Yes, you are. Or no, you are not. Okay, the short answers are, these are the examples for you to refer to. Okay, ini ialah contoh untuk kamu rujuk bila ada soalan macam mana nak jawab. So this is an example that you can refer to when there are questions in terms of be going to and how you are going to answer it. Okay, now activity 2, you are still going to refer to your textbook page 64. What you will do is you will copy these two activities. Okay, can you see it? First, let's start with the instruction for activity 2. You'll copy activity 2 and complete the sentences with the correct form of be going to and the verbs in brackets. Okay, remember, kalau dicakap and the verbs in the brackets, kamu mesti masukkan verb sekali dalam jawapan kamu. For example, question number 1, I already did it for you as an example. Adam, in bracket, not go to university. So Adam blank not go. Not go ini mesti dimasukkan dalam jawapan kamu. So jadi dia macam ni. Adam is not going to university. Okay? So tengok number 2. He and his best friend. 2 orang. Design computer games. Kalau design nak letak verb apa? Remember, it's always going to be the verb first. Lepas tu mesti ada going to. Is ke, am ke, are ke, plus going to, and then you include the verb in the bracket. Okay, please copy all of the questions in activity 2 and try to do it. Now for activity 3, you are going to copy it and write the questions using be going to. So as you can see at the end of all these sentences, there's a question mark. Okay, so what it means is you have to write questions. Okay, kamu akan tulis soalan untuk activity number 3. Okay, here's question number 1 already been done for you. You/go shopping Saturday. Remember you kita nak pakai is ke, am ke, are? Of course pakai are because it's a plural noun. So are you going to go shopping Saturday? On Saturday, I missed that and I'll get back to it. Okay, are you going shopping on Saturday? Okay, are you going to go shopping on Saturday? So, kamu mesti masukkan pertama sekali, ingat verb dia dulu, is ke, am ke, are. Kemudian barulah masukkan subjek dia, kemudian barulah aktiviti apa yang dibuat dekat situ. Okay, I already did number 1 for you, but if you have any questions, go ahead and ask me. Now, activity 5, will and be going to. As you all know, be going to is when we use it when we want to talk about future plans and intentions. Same goes with will. Kalau kita cakap pasal be going to ni, kita tahu nak cakap pasal rancangan yang akan datang. Tapi will pun sama juga fungsi dia. So, apa beza dia? Now, copy these notes. Salin nota ni. Will is used to talk about future predictions or decisions we make at the moment of speaking. Kita cakap pasal perancangan ataupun apa keputusan yang kita nak buat semasa kita bercakap. Okay, no, as me and you are talking, for example, we're having dinner lah. So we're talking about something, and then I'll tell you, I'll do the dishes after this. So you decide what you will do as you speak. Okay, kamu akan buat keputusan apa yang kamu nak buat semasa kamu bercakap. Okay. Now we have be going to. Now what about be going to? We use be going to talk about future plans and intentions. Okay, be going to ni is something that you have already decided. Okay, you have already decided what you are going to do, and then you talk about it. Okay. For example, your friend might be asking you today, so what's your plan for this weekend? And you'll tell him, I'm going to my grandma's house. Okay, kamu bagi tahu yang kamu nak pergi rumah nenek kamu. Benda tu kamu dah plan, you already planned it out, and you are going to do it. Benda tu memang kamu akan buat. Okay? So, that's difference. Will, kamu decide buat sesuatu semasa bercakap. Be going to, kamu dah decide. So, waktu kamu bercakap tu, kamu dah ada dalam kepala, kamu nak buat apa weekend ni. Okay, so those are the differences. Now, activity 6. It's still on page 64, and this is the last activity for you. So what you'll have to do is you are going to copy all of the sentences in page 64, and then you will complete the sentences with the correct form of be going to and will. So for this part of the section, kamu akan salin semua perkataan pula ayat-ayat ni, dan kamu akan isikan nak letak will atau be going to. For example, number 1, I ... blank lah. Help you carry those bags. So these two are talking to each other. Mereka sedang bercakap. So dia nak pakai will ke be going to? You decide. Okay, look at the situations. Alright, study it very carefully and decide and write your answer. Okay, kamu akan pilih. Study gambar-gambar ni, tengok apa yang dibuat. Remember, this is in your textbook. You don't have to worry if this is quite blurry on the screen or whatever. It's in your book and the images are stunning in there. Okay, gambar sini maybe blurry sikit, kabur, tapi dalam buku kamu cantik gambar dia. Okay, salin ayat-ayat ni. Tak perlu lukis gambar No, you don't have to draw the pictures. Tak perlu lukis. Just write the sentences and write your answer. If you are using only one pen, please be sure to underline your answer. Kalau kamu guna pakai satu pen sahaja, tolonglah gariskan jawapan kamu, okay? Alright. And that is it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you'll have a wonderful time completing this task. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me a message on WhatsApp and or Telegram, whichever that you prefer. Thank you. Have fun. And this task is for this week. I will not accept any more submissions on Friday and Saturday. Okay, tugasan ini ialah untuk minggu ini. Saya tak akan terima lagi apa-apa kerja yang dihantar pada Jumaat atau Sabtu. Okay, except if you have a very good reason. Kecuali kalau kamu ada alasan yang sangat bagus. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye-bye.